Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how we can make this beautiful poncho. To me, it's one of my favorites because it is so easy. We will use just a basic stitch that if you are a beginner, I think that this idea is perfect for you. You will see that with just few steps we are going to have this result. But well, before we start, I want to invite all of you to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. Now let's start. Well, for this poncho I will use 300 grams of this material that is a chunky weight yarn, and I will use the hook of number 9. Okay, I want to crochet a little bit loose and enjoy the puffiness of this yarn. Okay, so that's why I will make it with this hook. So well, we will start making some chains. And okay, we are going to make this strip of chains that goes all around our neck. I suggest for a standard size for an adult that we start making 40 chains. Okay, we are going to make them a little bit loose, relax, enjoy, and let's count 40 chains. Well, at the end of the 40 chains, we are going to check that they are not twisted or so, and we are going to try to close straight, and we are going to slip one to close. Now we will start right away making the half double crochet. The half double crochet, it's like if we were making single crochet, but before we will yarn over. Okay, we are going to make one in each chain, and remember that we are going to make the same number. For example, if we made 40 chains for the base chains, well, we are going to make 40 half double crochet, okay, like this, the whole row. Well, here we finish. I already count and I have 40, okay, so please pay attention in that because this is the beginning and this is the most important. So once we continue with the next row, it is important that we check that we didn't twist. If you did, well, don't worry, it's better that we twist here at the beginning and that we continue straight. So please check that and fix that. Without closing the row or slipping one, right away we are going to start with the next row. We are going to continue making half double crochet, but we are going to continue in relief. We will continue making this for 7 rows more. Well, so for example, here you yarn over and then you insert the hook. It's very important that we take all the pieces of the stitch. This thread that you have here, please don't pass it through. Take the stitch complete behind, and like this we are going to continue making 7 rows more with these stitches in relief and making half double crochet. Well, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th rows. Well, now we are going to continue with the same stitch, but this time we are not going to take the stitches in relief. The next 4 coming spaces we are going to make 2 half double crochet together. So here we have the first one. Then in the next we are going to put 2 half double crochet together. Remember that we are going to make 4 stitches like this, 4 doubles. So here we have 3 and 4. Okay, remember to yarn over before and to always insert the hook the same way. So this is the 4th stitch where we are going to make it double. And well, here in this part it's important that we crochet a little bit loose, okay? Please try not to tie too much. If you feel that you do, well, change the number of your hook. Well, here's where we started. We made 4 doubles, and here in the 5th we are going to make 3 together. So here we already made 2, then we are going to make 1 more to make 3. And well, after this 5th stitch that we make with 3 half double crochet, well, we are going to continue making the next 4 doubles, then the 5th triple, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, okay, following this path. And well, now that we finished this row where we increased some stitches, well, now we are going to continue making 1 half double crochet over each stitch, okay? Please, we are going to insert our hook also here in between these spaces that we have here. Please not skip them, okay? And be careful, and we will take both parts of the chain. So here is where we are going to put 1, then we will continue making 1 over each stitch, and like this is how we are going to continue several rows until you get the length that you want. Remember that at the end we are going to make some waves that will be the decoration for the edge. Okay, so after this 7th rows we made 1 row increasing, and then we are going to continue making rows with only 1 half double crochet in each stitch. So see you there after you finish. And well, at the end I finished the 2 skeins of yarn, and this is the length that I got. Okay, now with the last skein of yarn, with the 3rd one, we are going to make these rows of waves, and it will look so pretty. You will see how easy it is. Well, here at the end of the row, we are just going to slip 1 to close. Now we are going to make the last rows for the edge. We are going to make some cute waves, and first we are going to make 20 chains. Okay, it is important that we make these chains a little bit loose. As I told you, if you feel that you crochet too tight, well, I suggest that you change the number of your hook for a bigger number. So we are going to count until we have 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And well, then we are going to count 6 spaces. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6, and in the number 7 we will insert the hook and make a single crochet. And then again we are going to make again 20 chains, and we are going to count 6, and in the 7th we will insert the hook, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, here I am in the last wave. I finished to make 20 chains, and here I'm supposed to insert the hook, but I'm going to insert the hook 1 stitch after where we started, and like this is how we are going to move 1 space after all the chains, and they at the end will look at if they were like alternating spaces. Okay, so this is the secret of this stitch and of this decoration. Okay, so we are going to continue making some waves. And well, here I finished to make the 2nd row. As you could see, I move 1 stitch after in each wave. So now I will continue making the same in the next row, and like this until I finish to fill all the spaces, the coming spaces of waves. So we are going to move 1 stitch after the last time that we insert the hook, and this will be the decoration of this beautiful poncho, and with this rows we finish. So see you when you finish to make all these rows with 20 chains, remember. And well, here as you could see, I finished to fill all the spaces. I always insert the hook after I finish each row, 1 stitch after the last one. So like this is how we finish. So this is the decoration that I decided to make. I love the result, and as you could see, we only use simple and basic stitches. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this beautiful poncho with me. To me, it's one of the easiest poncho ever, and I think later, if you want, you can put a brooch or something here in the top, and it will be an amazing gift for these coming holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.